If I had $1 for every time I have seen this play out, I'd be able to buy an entire coffee at Starbucks. The few times I have witnessed this strange prehistoric ballet dance, it's taken a very, very long time. Let's come back to this spectacle in a bit. It's alligator season in Florida. Right now, they get a little bit more aggressive because they're trying to claim territory and mate and be all big and aggro. So this is when things can be a little bit more sketchy. I've always said you just don't be afraid of them, but don't turn your back on them either.
Excuse you.
The whole point of this video is to see if the 100 to 400, the newer one, 4.5, can replace my trusty 200 to 600 for video shooting without a teleconverter. Because if I shoot in crop mode, it should be pretty close to the same. And so far what I've seen looks really, really good. The first thing you might notice is that beautiful background separation, nice and smooth. It's beautiful. And being able to have a small, easy to hold lens that creates that beautiful bokeh like that is just awesome. And this is all handheld too, shot in 8x slow motion, no post-processing stabilizing at all. The image stabilization on this lens is the best I've seen in a Sony long lens yet. So why would I want to replace my 200 to 600 when it's what I shoot almost all of my video on? I don't really want to replace it, but it's always nice to see if there's something else that works. And by specs, the 100 to 400 should beat it. I mean, it costs twice as much, but it's also smaller, lighter, and easier to carry around than the 200 to 600. Not by a lot though. So it's still gonna be cool to see. One of my favorite birds has just made an appearance. Check this out. This is the snake bird, water turkey, piano bird, proper book name, Anhinga. And those chopsticks attached to its face, they are a highly specialized hunting tool, the perfect subject to test this lens with. Have you ever seen a bird juggle? These birds do it all the time. Their success rate is quite good, but sometimes they misjudge things. Like everything in life, there's a balance between failure and success. One thing's for certain though, you won't achieve success if you don't try. And sometimes failure means making the wrong choice. I have no idea what that is, but it's not a fish. And that's the point of my Sony video courses. Make better choices based on the hundreds of mistakes I've made. So far this lens is performing perfectly. Never had a doubt that it would. Let's check back in with our heron snake battle. These birds are incredibly intelligent and they know exactly how to finish off their prey in the best ways possible. In this instance, the bird has broken the snake's neck and pretty much pulverized its head. Eliminate the greatest threat. In case you're wondering, this is not a venomous snake, but the bite could still cause problems for the bird. If you've never tried to wait out a heron, here's the thing. They can sit in one place for hours. One of the most patient animals I've ever seen. And somehow, even with the snake almost completely swallowed, it still resists by wrapping its tail around the heron's head. Perfect picture moment. As much as I love video for all the glorious things it reveals, I still love how a still image can tell a story. Photographs transcend so many things: culture, language, time. It's truly magical to be able to capture moments and hold on to them forever, even when it's a feather-covered creature swallowing a snail-covered serpent. 9 out of 10 sandhill cranes struggle to take flight. But with your subscription and support, we can change this epidemic. Together, we can save the cranes. There's not actually a problem. They fly great, but subscribe anyways. It helps me make content like this, and it's free. Oh, and if you're wondering about the performance of the lens, it's definitely a keeper. I've added it to my bag.